Hey everybody, this is Randy Justice, Knox Horizon Complete Auto Care, and I'm going to show you what we do at our machine shop when with cylinder heads when they come in. We have a set of Chrysler Mopar 5.7 liter heads that we've been set here to pressure test and to surface the heads. And as you can see, there's still some residual oil down in them. So the first thing we're going to do is put them into our ultrasonic cleaner to get all the oil and everything. So we get our ultrasonic cleaner opened up. This operates at 148 degrees. We get the basket up. We get our very first head that we need to get clean. And since there's oil on the top, I'm going to flip it over. Like so. And we're going to put it down in the ultrasonic cleaner. Close the lid, and then I'm going to turn it on and let it go for 25 minutes. So we're ready to get the first head out of the ultrasonic cleaner. All the oil's out of it. We're going to flip it over and we're going to run it for another 25 minutes. Clean carbon out the other side. And I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like when they've got carbon and stuff all over them. So this right now, it's got a lot of debris and stuff in there. These heads aren't really bad. It's a fairly clean engine. But you can see the carbon and residual and stuff that's in here. So I'm going to run this other head again because it's got the same stuff, and then I'll show you what it's like when it comes out.